Arithmetic comparisons on number py arrays. I would like to check if number py array contains any value between 0 and 1. I read 0 is lower than x did any, is lower than 1 as, if there is any element with size greater than 0 and less than 1, return true. But that's obviously not the case. How can I do arithmetic comparison on number py array?
What x.any actually does, it's the same as np.any x, meaning it returns true if any elements in x are non-zero. So your comparison is 0 is lower than true is lower than 1, which is false because in Python 0 is lower than true is true, but true is lower than 1 is not, since true equals 1. In this approach, by contrast, we make Boolean arrays of whether the comparison is true for each element, and then check if any element of that array is true. You have to do the explicit and, because unfortunately Numpy doesn't, and I think can't, work with Python's built-in chaining of comparison operators.
Your code first tests x.any, which evaluates to true as x includes a non-zero value. It then tests 0 is lower than true equals 1 is lower than 1, which is false. Do.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.